Okay, so this will be Spiral 1 on the TI Inspire Calculator Strategies video. So we're going to start with question number 1, and it says the function y equals 3.75 plus 1.5 times x minus 1 can be used to determine the cost in dollars for a taxi ride of x miles. What is the rate of change of the cost in dollars with respect to the number of miles? Okay, your key word that you need to key on is rate of change, okay? And this is something that you're going to have to know, you're going to have to memorize. You have to know that rate of change means slope. You have to know, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our equation and we can type it in the calculator and it will give us our slope, okay? So when we go to our calculator screen, okay, you're going to go to New Document, so you'll press Enter. Okay, unsaved, we always hit No. Okay, this is an equation. You go type that into your graphs. So we're going to go down to number 2, Add Graph. Then we're going to go down and hit Enter. Okay, it's going to bring up this. Now we want to use something called Delete 6. Okay, so we're going to hit Delete 6. And that's going to bring up the relation key. And that's how you can type this whole thing in, just like you see it. And we're going to say y equals 3.75 plus 1.5 times open parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses. Okay? So once you type that in, then you're just going to press Enter. And it's going to graph the equation for you. Now, if you want to know the slope, then what you're going to do is hit Menu. We're going to go down to number 8. So I'm going to hit the number 8 key. Then we're going to go down to number 3, Measurement. So I'm going to hit the 3 key. And then look, slope is there for you on number 3. So you're going to go to number 3. And then all that's left for you to do, you have to scroll on this little scrolly pad. And then you have to go to your graph and you have to touch it. And then it tells you, it's kind of hidden by my little mouse there, but it tells you 1.5. So your slope is 1.5. So we're going to say m equals 1.5. So the only answer choice that has 1.5 is A. So we're going to choose A. And this completes question 1.